Hello everyone. Now in that sessions we have to study about EV configurations, that is electric vehicle configurations, and types of HEV, that is hybrid electric vehicle. Now EV configurations. Now there are the 7 configurations used in electric vehicle, that are longitudinal front wheel configuration, then transverse front wheel configuration, then dual motor drive configuration, then outer motor drive configuration, then different energy sources configuration, then single motor multiple motor configuration, and last one is fixed and variable gear configuration. What is series HEV or hybrid electric vehicle? So the figure of series HEV are as shown here. So we can see that series HEV is composed of ICE, generator, power converter, motor and battery. There is no mechanical connection between ICE and transmission. Thus, ICE can operate at a maximum efficient point by regulating the output power of battery to satisfy required power of vehicle. But the energy from a IC transmit via generator and motor, so much more energy will be lost. Since a motor is a final and sole drive device, the motor must be larger enough to satisfy a performance of vehicle, and thus regenerative braking power almost can be stored in a battery by a motor. Then next is parallel HEV. So the circuit of parallel HEV are as shown in that figure. As we can see that parallel HEV allow both electric motor and IC to deliver a power in a parallel to drive the vehicle. That is, IC and motor can drive respectively or together. Now different from series HEV, there is a mechanical connection between IC and transmission, and thus IC rotational speed depends on a driving cycle. So the IC can operate based on optimal operating line by regulating the output power of battery. So that is parallel HEV. Then next, series parallel HEV. Above figure shows a circuit of series parallel HEV. As we can see that a combination of HEV incorporates a feature of both series and parallel HEV. An additional mechanical connection between IC and transmission is added compared with the series hybrid, and also additional generator between IC and power converter is added compared with the parallel hybrid. Although the complexity of structure leads to more costly manufacturing technology and it is more flexible in control, some modern HEVs prefer to adopt this system. Now next is planetary gear. So here a structure of planetary gear are shown here, as shown in that figure. Here a ring gear, then sun gear, then pinion gear and planetary carrier as shown in that figure. So that is the structure of planetary gear. Then modes of operation, there are the total 4 modes of operation. First mode is startup, normal driving or acceleration mode. Then second is light load mode. Then third one is deacceleration or braking mode. And fourth one is battery charging or standstill mode. For series and parallel HEV, how it works with the help of block diagram as we see. So that are the mode of operation. Okay.